In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the issue type in Jira. If you're managing projects on Jira, knowing how to adjust the issue type is crucial for keeping your workflow organized. We'll walk through this process step by step, so whether you're handling a bug, a task, or a story, you'll be able to modify it with ease. Let's dive in. First, begin by navigating to the project that you're currently working on. This is the central hub where all your project activities are managed, and it's essential to start here to ensure you're looking at the correct set of issues. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen for the All Work tab. Clicking on this will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the issues within your project. This list is your go-to reference for everything that's been logged, so finding your specific issue should be straightforward. From this list, pinpoint the specific issue you want to modify and open it. It's important to focus on the right issue to avoid any unnecessary changes. With the issue open, you'll want to look for the Issue Type icon. This is a small yet crucial element that helps identify the nature of the work item, be it a bug, a task, a story, or any other issue type you might be managing. Once you spot this icon, click on it. Doing so will bring up a drop-down menu or a similar selection tool, presenting you with various issue type options. Here, you'll select the one that aligns with your current needs. Once you've made your choice, the issue type will automatically update to reflect your selection, streamlining your workflow immediately. Now, if you prefer to use the Move option to change the issue type, here's another straightforward method. Again, start by opening the specific issue you need to modify. With the issue open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the issue view. Here you'll find the three dots menu, sometimes known as the More Options menu. Click on this and a list of options will appear, offering various tools for customization. From this list, choose the Move option. Upon selecting Move, you'll be prompted to select a new issue type. Bear in mind that depending on the issue type you choose, some fields or statuses within the issue might require additional updating. Pay attention to the on-screen prompts to make any necessary adjustments. These prompts ensure that the issue is properly set up in its new type. Once you're satisfied with these changes, click Confirm to finalize your modifications. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the issue type in Jira. This process not only helps streamline your project management tasks, but also ensures that every issue is categorized correctly, making it easier for your team to track and resolve them efficiently. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Jira tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.